UNM Carrie Tingley Hospital has proudly served children and teens with chronic disease and disabling conditions for 76 years. And you can help these kids just by getting down and dirty in the mud at this year's Mudd Volleyball Tournament. And joining us with all the details about the tournament and Carrie Tingley Hospital is event chair and foundation board vice president Phil Prevender. It is so good to have you.
Nikki.
Did I say volleyball? You know, I was trying not to use my accent because I say volleyball.
Well, sometimes. It's a New York and you coming through.
Listen, this is a great event, but before we get to all those details, first let's tell everybody how Carrie Tingley Hospital serves special needs children and their families, because that is so important.
Well, it really is. We have lots of different programs that we serve the families and kids throughout New Mexico. So we've got quality of life programs such as basketball, wheelchair basketball.
So great.
We've got the adaptive hand cycling bike team. We've got a 2-week sports camp which takes place in June, and so it's a chance for the kids to play regular sports that we all have played. Then it's a 2-week-long program. We have 50 campers out there at that, so it's a lot of fun. It's great for the kids.
Because it keeps them from feeling left out.
That's exactly right.
And no kid wants to feel left out. And so how does Carrie Tingley Hospital Foundation raise money then to fund all these programs that you're mentioning?
Well, you know what? We have a couple primary fundraisers. You mentioned Mudd Volleyball, and I want to present you with your very own Mudd Volleyball hat.
Thank you. Fabulous. I'll wear it while you talk.
There you go.
Cool.
It might. I don't think it'll mess my hair up, but it might mess yours up.
I don't care. I don't mind. I'm not vain.
But our Mudd Volleyball is our primary fundraiser.
Yeah.
It's an event that'll take place Saturday, June 8th. We raise over $585,000 in a single-day event.
Wow.
It is now the state's largest single-day fundraiser.
Oh, I love to hear that. And you know, that's one day only, but let me tell you, the work that's done all year is so important. So let's talk a little bit, like maybe give an example of just how critical the foundation's work is.
Well, we have a lot of families that'll come to us via social workers. We actually have a family liaison at the foundation as well. And so folks will call in and say they may need a wheelchair ramp, they may need a van conversion for a lift, they may need emergency rent or utility help, and so we're able to facilitate those kind of payments for folks, and we can do it immediately. You know, in today's world, Medicaid and insurance just don't pay what they used to, so it's a chance for us to step up and kind of fill a much needed gap.
Oh, and we're so thankful that you do. And our viewers can make a difference by playing in the Mudd Volleyball Tournament that you just mentioned. So let's talk about the details of the event, because this is so cool. And Kristen just mentioned that she and Matt will be there.
Right. And we've played, actually I've been involved in all 19 of the Aaron Mudd Volleyball tournaments over the years.
Really?
I played in the very first one. It was a lot of fun.
I love it.
Yeah, there's some great footage there. It is a lot of fun. I mean, this year we'll have 612 teams on 102 courts. When I started, there were about 40 teams on 12 courts, and so the event's grown.
No kidding.
Over the years, we've raised over $5 million.
Over
$5 million. And it all goes to the families. It's just an awesome, it's an awesome opportunity to have a lot of fun, a lot of team building, but it's going to a great cause to benefit the kids.
Well, and you touched on that, it goes to the family. So explain how that works, because I know people want to be able to support it. So how does the money raised specifically support them?
Well, there's various, we talked about some of the medical equipment, some of the needs that families will have. Also, we help support the hospital. So we have a grant program to the hospital, a $1.6 million grant, over 10 years. So we're doing that, and we also fund durable medical equipment for the hospital as well. So we kind of have 3 buckets, if you will, patient and family assistance, the grant money, and medical equipment. So we fund those. And the nice thing is, as this event grows, those budgets that we can fund grow.
It's a win for everybody.
It's a win-win.
It's a wonderful thing, and I know people watching want to get involved. So how can they sign up, or how can they donate?
You know what? You can donate through our main website, which is Carrie Tingley Hospital Foundation, one word, .org.
Got it.
So that's our main website. For Mudd Volleyball, it's abqmuddvolleyball.org, and that's Mudd with 2 Ds. And so you want to get on that website. There's ways to donate for both. One of the big things that we're doing is the team fundraising challenge. So teams will register, so you might get your team out there and say, you know, we don't want to necessarily be a corporate sponsor, but maybe we want to sponsor on our own. So you can do that via the team fundraising challenge. So you get some pledges from friends, your employer, whoever.
Just get everybody involved.
Just get everyone
thank you
involved.
so much. I love my hat, and I love that you are doing this, and I know it's only 1 month away, so
we're
let's
30
get everybody
days out,
into it.
And if there are questions you don't see on the website, certainly call our office, 243-6626.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And I know you guys will be out there broadcasting this year.
Oh yeah, we will. We'll have all those details for sure. Thanks again.